It's important to keep your computer clean, not just because it looks nice, but because things like dust and dirt can affect your computer's performance. But there's a right way and a wrong way to do it. We're going to show you the right way to clean your computer. First, turn off or unplug any item before you clean it, just to be safe. To clean your keyboard, turn it upside down and gently shake to remove any dirt, crumbs, or other debris. You can also use a can of compressed air to really get between the keys. To clean the surface, use a cotton cloth or Q-tip that's been moistened with rubbing alcohol. Never pour alcohol or any other liquid directly onto your keyboard. If you spill something by accident, don't panic. Turn off or unplug the keyboard, then leave it upside down to drain. If you're dealing with a laptop spill, shut down completely and follow the same steps. Modern mice don't require much cleaning because they don't have a lot of moving parts. Just keep an eye on the sensor underneath. If anything gets stuck here, even a tiny piece of dust, it can keep your mouse from working smoothly. When cleaning your screen, avoid household cleaners like Windex and disinfectant wipes. Also, never spray the screen directly. It can leak inside and damage the components. The safest method is to shut down or unplug your computer, then wipe the screen with a cotton or microfiber cloth. For heavier cleaning, moisten the cloth with water. For outer surfaces like the case and monitor housing, it's okay to use glass cleaner. You can also make your own cleaning solution by mixing equal parts vinegar and water. Just remember not to spray your equipment directly. Spray a cloth or paper towel first, then gently wipe. Don't forget to check the back of your case, which can get pretty dusty. If you see any buildup in the ventilation fans, use a can of compressed air to clean them out. Finally, pay attention to airflow around your computer. That means no books, no clutter, nothing that might block the ventilation fans, which are designed to keep your computer from overheating. If you have a fanless computer, it's best to have airflow around the entire unit. A clean computer is a happy computer. Remember to clean your computer regularly, and it's sure to stay healthy for years to come.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.